ito. Tingnan niyo ba? Sino siya? Si Shakira. Idol mo? Opo. Idol mo si Shakira? Talaga? Marunong ka? Opo. Nag-trace ba lang? Hindi po. Oh, sample nga?
Sample.
Oh, sige. Ay, siya request.
Be careful with my heart. Ah. Ah.
Hey, Daddy. Hindi ba si Daddy mo kumakanta o sumasayaw?
You don't want big songs cry, make people cry.
Who's next?
Ilag na sana nahala.
Ilag din na joke. What do you have there?
Ilag na sana.
Again. Bakit kaya rin mas?
Wow.
Gusto mo magagalaan kasi yan. Ayoko na magas. Kaya dali yung mami mag-isip. Para pag wala na sila, hindi ko sila makakalimutan.
I tell you, this is a big collection, not an event. 100 cakes because of parents? I don't know, I'm like that too. Wala, nahilo ko. Tara, nanghilak siya. Tara, dapita. Okay.
The music in the session was not always very, very calm. Okay, please. Because I want to protect my mom from all the rain that will come her way. Kahit ang init ng araw na ito, lalabanan ko. Mami, be strong, ha? Don't worry, nandito lang ako.
Yes, be strong, good. Kay naman yung mama.
Thank you for this. Who's next?
Oh. Be strong. Oh. Hilak. I will be here. Kana last. Wow. So, dayan ay hilak.
So, the session that we are about in, we were actually waiting. I wanted to wait for someone that, oh, watch it! Actually, I like to meet Porchi. Porchi is our children with all of you.
support you.
Kanay superhero na siya.
Stage 4. But you see, Pochi, wanting to be here today, to be with all of you, to encourage you, alam mo ba, you're thinking today. You're thinking, Pochi. Sabi ko sa akin, Doc, gusto ko hindi ako na siya celebrate. Yung therapy session mo. So you know, Pochi, there's a surprise for you. Now, Pochi, yes.
Happy birthday. The cake is alive.
You like it too? Salamat po, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I thought you were the hero.
You made it, Pochi. 13 years old. Oh, gusto na tayo? Ha? Let's sing happy birthday. Come on, let's sing happy birthday for Pochi. Ha?
Yeah. Happy birthday now.
Hindi mag-happy birthday muna tayo. Okay? Happy birthday, Pochi. Come on, sing it. Happy birthday, Pochi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pochi. Pochi. Happy birthday.
No one else is singing.
Gusto ko yung dito. Sana, bisita ko dito. Hindi ko nasakit. Wala nasakit ko.
Oh, come on, don't cry again.
Give me a Pochi blow, okay? Come on. Go. Happy birthday, Pochi. We love you.
Silos ko, silos! Kani kay murag siya o kanang may collection. Give us Kim Chu, please. I'm waiting.
Grabe, good. Ang emotion ka, especially the one with terminal cancer.
Yes.
What's his name again?
It's really so good.
What's his
They
name?
are so good.
Yeah, he's really good. Grabe, di siya kumain ng mga steak. Ay, baka pamili siya kumain. Pamili ang ay grabe. Pamili siya kumain sa tandon. Wala ka rin siya ang may sakit.
Okay. And every time po yung ano second, yung love siya sa kanya. Sa ito, gabi ako ng kids, those girls. O, baka sila sila ng mga okay, hinabi ko na mga moms, hero na tayo.
And ang story ng mga pamilya, kasi mga wala na doon kayo niya, the story is all about kids suffering from terminal cancer, and of course, mothers who are suffering also from terminal cancer. Mga 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 kids na nasa radio, na nakapag-message para sa moms na hindi nila biyaan. And of course, bata na may cancer, talaga na kay birthday na niya. Nakapon siya of 13 years. Kaya siya ka-thankful sa every year na maruwan sa iya.
More than that, TV says for you, the celebrating happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Happy Mother's Day to you too.
Happy Mother's Day sa umama. Oh, kain pa ba?
Cry, 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 cry.
But you know, please, what makes me more proud sa movie ng Oscar, you know what, Sir Ryan Carlos, siya ang facilitator sa action workshop for kids and adults. Sir Ryan, please stand po na dyan. We recognize.
And he wrote
Oscar and he directed that movie. I'm telling you.
Bago ko sila mabili, na-break us ba? Break na break. Pero mga pamilya, ano nang kalaaway ang yes? Yung
Kanila na itong group.
Grabe hug.
Sila Samantha Boston.
Vena Therese Bacalia.